Hey folks, it's good to see you again. Keith here, Keith Jones Fish Guide. It's been a while, it's been a couple months. Generally in the June, July, August, or July, August, September, when the jet skis and all the skiers are out and the water gets up to 85, 88 degrees, I don't fish. I kind of just leave the lake alone. The water's all stirred up, the water's a little too warm, fish go real deep. Water gets a little foggy and just choppy waves and boats going and jet skis going everywhere, so I just let them have their fun, and then when they're done, basically I think it's Labor Day to Memorial Day, just I don't really get out here, but after that, boom, I'm out here. I'm going to post some pics of what I caught in this last week. I've come out scouting to see kind of where the fish are at, how they're doing, what's the water temperature, the depth. So anyways, today's supposed to be 79 degrees. The water's actually 77 degrees this morning, which is great. Overcast, cloudy, a little bit of wind, and I know I know for a fact the fish are still deep, but they're making their way up. They're coming up to feed, then they go back down. Basically in the June, July, August, or July, August, September, most of the bigger fish, the quality fish, will feed at night and stay deep during the day to avoid the noise and the conflict. So anyways, I'm going to go around this little island right here, and I'm going to be using topwater and a swim bait. So just as I got out here, I made about 8 casts and I got one, so I'll share them with you, and I'm going to let them go right now. A nice little smallmouth. Well, not little, I mean he's decent size. He's fair game. So put up a good little fight, hammered that topwater. Beautiful little fish. So again, I got my spinning rod, I got my 6-pound test. I am using my Heddon Baby Torpedo. It's got a little propeller on the back. So what I'm doing, I kind of modify my retrieve. The fish right now are probably 80% chasing shad all over this lake. So I cast out, find a good structure, deep cliff, shore, whatever, and I'm kind of like just jiggling it, and make it look like a little injured fish for about 2 seconds. Then I wait, and then I a couple more, and then boom. So a couple days ago I was out here and I was trying the same lure, and I had to reel in fast at a steady retrieve, and I was catching nothing but largemouth. So that's a different story for a different time. Maybe I'll go back in a little bit shallower today and try that, but I was catching all largemouth, and that was interesting. So anyways, let's go back out and try to get something. There he is. Oh, he hit it twice. All right. There we go. Smallmouth, little one. Oh, let me get you off. I'll get you back out. Hang on, hang on. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. Just stop. Ow, just stop. I'll get you off. All right, you're okay. Every time you catch a fish, just kind of briefly check your line real quick where your knot's at. Kind of feel it. Alright, so I switched over to a deep diving crankbait. Caught him in about 12 feet of water. It's just a baby, but this is a largemouth. So today, smallmouth and largemouth today so far. And this is my XD. Goes down about 16 feet. I got him in about 12 feet of water on top of some stumps. Oh boy, bites like a smallmouth. There you go. Beautiful smallmouth. Top water. Put this baby back. All right, so I'm fishing in about 8 feet of water. I'm fishing these little sticks that are sticking up. Little sticks that are sticking up. So we got a fairly steep bank, and it drops off real quick, so it gets real deep real fast. Still using the baby torpedo with the little blade on it. I can check my line, see if it's frayed anywhere. Alright, so we get another one. Hey guys, alright, we're gonna end the day. It's been kind of a fast day. A little bit of rain, so I kind of had to duck and cover for a little bit. But got some smallmouth, got some largemouth, got a handful of fish I didn't put on the camera, you know, smaller fish. But if you look on your fish finder and in the backs of these coves, you'll see the bait balls, and they're everywhere. So I'll be in 40 feet of water and I'll see about 10 bait balls, and I throw my top water or my swim bait past the bait ball and just jig it on back, make some noise, splash it, and that's where all the excitement is. So anyways, I'm still in the testing mode where I'm going out looking, seeing where the fish are, how deep they are, the water. Water's 79 degrees. it seems as though the fish are starting to corral the shad back into the coves. So that could be a good pattern. But again, I'm going to post a couple of fish I caught 3-4 days ago, and they were on Main Lake. And so it's basically fish are going to be biting, corralling shad in the coves or on the Main Lake. So it's not a guaranteed thing yet. So I'm going to keep trying until I get out there. But anyways, have a good day. Good to see you guys again. It's fishing time again.